Struggling with pergola lighting electrical issues can totally kill your backyard vibe, but fixing them doesn't have to be a headache. So, first off, always check your wiring carefully because loose connections or damaged wires are the sneaky culprits behind flickering or dead lights. Make sure the power is off before you start poking around. That's basic safety stuff, you know? If your bulbs keep burning out fast, try switching to LED bulbs. They last way longer and use less energy. Sometimes, the problem isn't the bulbs, but the fixtures themselves. Weather exposure can mess them up, so swapping out rusty or cracked fixtures might be the fix. Also, look at your outdoor electrical outlets and switches. If they're not weatherproof, moisture can cause short circuits. It's smart to use a voltage tester to make sure your circuit is delivering steady power. If your pergola lighting is on a timer or smart system, double-check the settings or reset the device, since glitches happen. Finally, if you're not super comfy handling electrical stuff, calling a pro electrician is always a safe bet to avoid bigger problems. One of the biggest pergola lighting electrical issues is faulty wiring, which usually shows up as flickering or no light at all. Fix this by rewiring or tightening connections. Another common mistake is not using weatherproof bulbs or fixtures, leading to corrosion and failure. Swapping them for outdoor-rated gear solves this. Lastly, ignoring the power source problems like tripped breakers or bad outlets can leave you in the dark. Testing and replacing these parts keeps your setup solid. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their way around pergola lighting and other home improvements. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for reliable work, so everyone wins when it comes to getting projects done right.